All right, guys, weekly stimulus for the first week of 2026, January 5th, Monday, every 2 minutes times 7. That's 14 minutes. So you have a 2-minute window to do 5 touch and go power cleans, your choice on the weight, start light, 5 burpee over the bar, 5/3 strict pull up, 20 double unders or crossovers. So that should be getting done right around, 115 to 90 seconds. Gives you time to make a weight change if you like. Use some of the numbers that you established on the touch and go barbell lifts we did in weeks past. You'll have a big break after that, right around 6 or 7 minutes, okay? And then you'll do open 22.3. Pull up, double under, thruster, weight 1. Chest to bar, double under, thruster, weight 2. Bar muscle up, double under, thruster, weight 3. So a couple things here. If you have chest to bar pull-ups, okay, do regular pull-ups, chest to bar, chest to bar. If you have just regular pull-ups, just do regular pull-ups, okay? If you don't have any pull-ups, do jumping chin over the bar, then jumping chest to bar. You guys that don't have pull-ups, this is a good opportunity to challenge yourself on the barbell weight. And, and challenge yourself on the barbell weight. Find a place to challenge yourself, even if there's some limitations on the movements, okay? All right, Tuesday. Tuesday is 1 minute on, 1 minute rest. So you're gonna work for 1 minute, you're gonna rest for 1 minute. You're gonna do that until you complete a total of 6 rounds of 5 wall walk, 10 shuttle run, 15 box jump over, and 20 dumbbell snatches. So 3, 2, 1, go. You work for a minute, and wherever you get stopped, okay, when the minute is up, that's where you pick up where you left off, okay? You wanna move quickly, but not full send, because even though you're only working 1 minute, 1 minute is not that big of a break. Okay, coaches, how I suggest you do this, if you have more than like 9, 10 people, break them up in half. So have half of the people working while the other half are resting, and then vice versa. All right, I also suggest setting up the boxes on opposite ends of the shuttle run. So maybe some people, if you have 10 people, 5 boxes on one side and dumbbells, 5 boxes and dumbbells on the other side, and stagger them so they don't run into one another and they have a clear space to do the shuttle run. But that is my suggestion because it's just easier to manage a smaller class, all right, that is working. Also, if you have some new people in class, you could give them some tips on movements by letting them watch some of the other people during their rest break, okay? All right, Wednesday. Wednesday, we're doing a snatch complex into a EMOM with snatches. So it's 2 4-minute EMOMs. They're really essentially warm-ups, just to give you an idea on maybe what weights you want to use for the 24-minute EMOM. It's first EMOM for 4 minutes is 3 hang power snatches plus overhead squats. People that are not snatching can substitute that for clean, hang clean, and front squat. The next 4-minute EMOM is a power snatch from the floor, plus 2 hang power, plus 2 overhead squats. Again, you can make that clean, hang clean, and then front squat. Only a 2-minute break after the second 4-minute EMOM. You'll do 15 12 row, 15 wall ball, and then 1 complex of snatch from the floor, snatch from the hang, 1 overhead squat. So on a workout like this, nice pace on the row. Break up the wall balls in 5s or 9/6. All right, you don't get credit for doing the workout, doing the reps fast. In an EMOM, you get credit for accomplishing the volume of reps. Power snatch, hang power snatch, and overhead squat shouldn't take long. Should have at least a 30-second break to make any weight changes if you like. All right. Thursday. Give me a little sip here. All right. Thursday, 6 rounds for time. 21-15 on the bike. 12 chest to bar. 9 burpee over bar. 6 deadlift. So the deadlift today, on Thursday, should be a little on the heavy side. You'll get a 1 minute rest in between every round. Steady pace on the bike. Break up the reps on the pull-ups. Again, whatever pull-up version you're doing, burpee should be steady. 1 minute break is not a long time, but the deadlift should be heavy. So if you're not sure what to do on the deadlift, maybe start a little on the lighter side for the first round, and then you can make a weight change. Do not exceed the RX weights during the weight changes. Friday is every 2 minutes and 30 seconds for 14 rounds, okay? It's 1 clean, 1 front squat, and 1 jerk. It has to be a jerk, no push press or strict press. You'll do 6 toe to bar, 9 push-up, 12 alternating lunges. Same thing like Monday. You have a 2 minute and 30 seconds to do all of that work. Time remaining is your break, and make a weight change. We would like to see you kind of start light on the clean and jerk and then add weight as you go. This is a sneaky volume workout. I think maybe through the first 5 or 6 rounds, you're going to have a good break. And then it's going to add up. I mean, you're looking at a total of 84 toe to bar. So maybe 6 doesn't look like a big number, but overall, within the time frame, it's going to add up. So be mindful. All right. Saturday is a partner workout. It's 3 rounds. It's partner of max rep rope climbs in 2 minutes. It's max rep bench press in 2 minutes. It's max rep dumbbell snatch in 2 minutes. And then it's max distance or calories on a machine for 6 minutes. Okay, so how this workout works is round 1, use machine 1. So round 1, I use the ski. Round 2, me and my partner use the row. Round 3, we use the bike. On this workout too as well, coaches, I do suggest giving teams, each partner, 2 rowers and 2 bikes. It's easy to hand off the ski handles, but getting in and out of the bike and height differences and damper settings and all that other stuff, it'll just be easier to give each team 2 bike and rower. All right. Sunday fun day, teams of 3. Partner 1 chips at 400 guys and 330 row calories for the girls, while partner 2 and 3 chip away at 210 wall ball, 180 dumbbell clean, 150 box jump, 120 burpee, and 90 plate sit-ups. So, a lot of volume. Break up the reps accordingly, and get your besties and your teams of 3, okay? That's our week. Good talk. Have fun.